Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change DNS server of the Windows 11. First of all, go to any browser, search for the free DNS servers, click it, and you can see the different DNS servers here. I'm going to use Cloudflare for today. Now go to the start menu of the Windows, search for settings. Go to the network and internet. There is internet option for me, but if you are using Wi-Fi, there will be Wi-Fi option for you. You can use same method for the Wi-Fi. Click internet, go to the DNS server assignment and click edit. Select it to manual, turn on the IPv4. I will use Cloudflare for today. Click save and your DNS changed. Thank you for watching.